In these problems, we're getting some practice with calculating the areas of circles. And the formula for that, in case you need a refresher, the area of a circle is pi times the radius squared, pi r squared. You've probably heard that one before. Let's take a look at this. It says, what is the area of a circular region with a diameter of 10 centimeters? Now, don't go rushing to plug the 10 in for r. They said diameter here. And we know that the radius is half the diameter. So if the diameter equals 10, then the radius equals 5. Now we can go ahead and calculate this. We've got the area equals pi times 5 squared. That is area equals pi times 25. And if you punch that out on your calculator, actually sometimes your teacher might ask you to give you the area in terms of pi. And if that was the case, you would just write 25 pi. But if you want a decimal approximation of it, you just punch that in on your calculator, and you should get 78.54. And let's see, the units were centimeters. This is area, so it's going to be square centimeters. All right. We can also use this formula backwards. If we have an area, like we're being given here, we can solve for the radius. This question says a circle has an area of 196 pi square centimeters. What is the diameter? So here they're giving us the area in terms of pi. They'll do that sometimes. Let's go ahead and set up our formula. We've got area equals pi times the radius squared. We know the area, so we're going to put it in there. 196 times pi is the area, and that equals pi times the radius squared. Now at this point, probably what I'd do first is divide everything by pi. I've got a pi over here and a pi over here. If I divide both sides by pi, the pi's will disappear. That's kind of nice. And now I just get 196 equals r squared. To solve for r, I would need to take the square root of both sides. So I would get r equals, and let's see that, oh, that's 14. Now, our units here are, they gave us the area in centimeters squared. When we go down to the radius, that's just a line, so that's just plain old centimeters, no longer squared. And we're not done. We haven't solved this because, remember, they asked for the diameter, and we solved for the radius. Well, the diameter is twice the radius, so the diameter would be 2 times 14, or 28 centimeters. So that's a little bit of work with the area of a circle. My name is Larry. I'm a teacher at EdVisions off campus. If you're in Minnesota and interested in an online project-based school for 7th through 12th grade, you can check us out at lovethischool.org. Thanks.